get started. Next, benefit of playing badminton. 1. Heart health. Badminton increases heart rate and blood flow. 2. Physical fitness. The sport trains strength, speed, and endurance. Next slide. Benefit of playing volleyball. 1. Coordination. Good hand-eye coordination and improved reflexes and ability. 2. Teamwork. This sport trains teamwork and communication. Next slide. My travel story. 1. The first time I played badminton was in my elementary school gym class and 11 arrived away. 2. Joining and badminton clothing school. I started to practice seriously and feel the benefit. 3. Slowly, I started to enter tournament and feel the satisfaction of winning. Next slide. The benefit of my hobby. 1. Physical health. Exercise improves fitness and heart health and reduces the risk of chronic diseases. 2. Mental health. Badminton and volleyball release endorphin, improving mood and reducing stress. Next slide. Healthy hobbies. 1. Improve fitness. Regular exercise improves strength, endurance, and flexibility. 2. Reduce the risk of disease. Physical activity reduces the risk of heart diseases, stroke, diabetes, and obesity. 3. Improve mood. Exercise releases endorphin, which improve mood and reduce stress. Next, recommendation. I highly recommendation badminton and volleyball as hobbies. They are fun, healthy, and can be enjoyed with friends. Next. Okay, thank you all. That's the story about my hobbies. See you next time. Bye bye.